In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix invalid phone number on WeChat. Now, if you try to register on WeChat, and you happen to get this prompt of invalid phone number, you might want to first make sure the number is entered in the correct international format. That's to say, you have to start with your country code. The other alternative is to make sure the phone number you are using belongs to a support county. WeChat only registers to phone numbers in China mainland. So if you happen to have a different phone number, you must at least tag with someone from China mainland to connect you through the referral process. And the other thing is when your phone number is a virtual or VoIP number, like Google Voice, or has been previously flagged or blocked due to suspicious activity. With this, you have to make sure you're using a real mobile number with the correct country code, and not one from a texting app or service. Well, those are some of the reasons why the invalid phone number prompts show up whenever you want to sign up on WeChat. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section. See you in the next one.